Welcome to our tutorial on DIY Board and Batten for only $50. First, map out your wall on graph paper so you can get a visual design of how your wall will look. Here's a quick sneak peek of the finished product. First, we took a baseboard and cut it to the length of our wall, made sure it fit in the space, then secured it with liquid nails and a brad nailer. Next, we installed all of the vertical boards. We cut the boards to size, made sure it fit in place, made sure it was level, applied liquid nails, and secured to the wall with a brad nailer. We installed the first vertical board so it was adjacent to the other wall. Once it was secured in place, we took a measuring tape and measured along the bottom baseboard and the top baseboard and marked where our next vertical board would go according to the placement on our map. Repeat this process with each vertical board, making sure they're level before they are secured into place. To begin installing the horizontal boards, we first measured up from the bottom of the floor and marked where each board would go according to our design map. To install the upper row of horizontal boards, we measured down from the top of the ceiling to our desired location on the wall. Each of the horizontal boards were made sure to fit into place before the liquid nails was applied and adhered to the wall with the brad nailer. We also made sure to use the levels at all times to make sure each board was level before securing into place. Once all of the board and batten has been installed, it's time to take some putty and fill in all of the holes from the brad nailer and also putty in where the seams are where the boards line up. Be sure to apply a small amount of the putty and scrape off any excess with your putty knife. This will save you time with the next step. Once the putty has fully dried, take a palm sander or a small piece of sandpaper and lightly sand the putty marks so they are level with the wood. Now it's time to caulk. Using a caulk gun, apply caulk in each of the new sections created on your wall where the board meets the wall. Working in one section at a time, once you have applied a bead of caulk, use your finger to smooth it out and then take a damp washcloth and wipe off any excess. Repeat this process in each of the new shapes created on the wall with your board and batten design until the entire wall has been caulked. Allow the caulk to completely dry before moving on to the final step. Follow the specific time recommendations on drying time with your particular brand of caulk. We're now ready for the final step. Take the paint and, using a paintbrush, go along all of the edges of caulk and cover the caulk with paint. You'll also want to paint the boards in the direction they are hung, painting the vertical boards in a vertical motion and the horizontal boards in a horizontal motion. The board and batten wall is now completely finished. You can put your room back together, sit back, relax, and enjoy the finished product. Thanks for watching another Sunnyside design tutorial. Please visit our website at tothesunnyside.com for more DIY ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.